provinces in the Philippines, and a main center of commerce, trade, education, and industry in the central and southern parts of the islands. It has 5-star hotels, white sand beaches, world-class golf courses, convention centers, and shopping malls, and not to mention the booming property investing on condominiums and condotels. One such island in the Philippines is the island of Mactan, which has the second major international airport in the country, servicing a more than decent lineup of domestic and international airlines including Cathay Pacific and Cebu Pacific Air, and quite a sight of well-known resort brands in the world, all located in this island. Today, I am discovering the island of Olango, a part of Mactan, the capital city of Lapu Lapu, in Cebu, in central Philippines. From Punta Engaño Pier, I took a local outrigger pump boat to Santa Rosa Pier. The boat ride will take about 15 minutes. Olango Island lies between the Bohol Strait to the south and the Camotes Sea to the north, situated 5 kilometers east of Mactan Island. To the east is the Olango Channel, while the west is the Hilutungan Channel. It has 7 barangays, one of which is Santa Rosa, where the island's wharf and parish church is located. Upon reaching the island of Olango via the Santa Rosa Pier, I negotiated with a tricycle driver to bring me to the Olango Wetland Sanctuary. The sanctuary is approximately 5 to 6 kilometers from Santa Rosa Pier. The local mode of transportation is a tricycle. Olango Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Central Visayas region of the Philippines. It is approximately 4 kilometers away from Mactan Island of Cebu. It is approximately 15 kilometers east of Cebu City. Olango Island is a diverse coastal ecosystem consisting of extensive coralline sandflats, mangroves, seagrass, beds, and offshore coral reefs. We're now here at the Olango Island Wildlife Sanctuary, and we're just here at the heat of the sun at around 11, just an hour before lunch, and this is the most ideal time to come in here in Olango Sanctuary, wherein you're seeing migratory birds of all. We have 62 species that we can see here in the island of Olango, and it's just 15-20 minutes away from Mactan. So what you're going to see is just a variety of species. And one of the things that we need to do here is we need to lessen our movements, and we need to minimize our sound so not to disrupt the birds that are feeding in this particular area. So we'll watch this one. The island's mangrove are most extensive in the Cebu province, and its offshore corals are home to scores of various marine species. The island is virtually flat, and is surrounded by warm seas and partly sheltered from monsoons and strong trade winds. Olango Island, situated off Mactan Island in Cebu, is one of the 7 best-known flyways in the world for migrating birds. Its main attraction is a 920-hectare Olango Island Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for migratory birds from Siberia, northern China, and Japan. These birds flock to the island seeking refuge from the winter climate of other countries. The sanctuary supports the largest concentration of migratory birds found so far in the Philippines. There are 97 species of birds in Olango, 48 of which are migratory species, while the rest are resident birds of the island. Olango is the Philippines' first wetland of international importance for waterfowl. Wetlands provide vital habitats for water birds, fish, frogs, invertebrates, as well as mangrove forests and seagrass beds. The birds use Olango as a major refueling station as well as a wintering ground. The birds stop by the island on their southward journey to Australia and New Zealand, and end their journey back to their nesting grounds. Among the frequent guests are Chinese egrets, Asiatic dowitzers, eastern curlews, plovers, sandpipers, black-tailed godwit, and red-knot. It is best to visit Olango around the months of July to November, just in time for winter in the Northern Hemisphere. Preserving the underwater beauty of the Philippine seas is taken to another level recently with the introduction of Miss Scuba 2014. Supported by an international resort management group in the island city of Lapu-Lapu in Mactan Island, Philippines. The resort, managed by an international group, is now open, serving its guests with delicious food and beverage outlets and newly upgraded room accommodation and function rooms for special events. Alice Chan's interview with Miss Barbie Chan, Group Marketing Communications Director of the property.
SAP is a young, energetic, and a new lifestyle hospitality brand created by our CEO, Mr. Alvin Zhong. Our group is under Zhong's consortium in Hong Kong and is a listed company in Hong Kong Stock Exchange. Actually, our company owner, they very like Philippines, and they love Cebu, and they love Pacific Cebu Resort actually, because actually the hotel we have our own pier, and we have the Long Beach, and also the Patty Gold Palm Dive Center in Philippines is a top class diving center, and actually our owner and right now, there are many people in Hong Kong or everywhere, Asia, people love diving. They love to find the resort, have the good diving facility, even for a starter or for a trainer. Resort not only cater for the diving market, but also for even the family, for the kids. The kids actually, we are under the renovation right now. For the renovation, we have created our kids club, and also we renovate our swimming pool, and also we have created our private diving area, near the pier area.
So on your next adventure in Cebu, visit a white sand beachfront off the coast of Cordova Island.